Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 904 Fishing. I'm your host Alex. Today I'm out here with Kimbra. We are going to be doing, I'm going to be doing some topwater action. She's throwing a square bill. I've got this really weird bait. It's a bat, topwater bat. So we're going to throw that, see if we can't get a hit on that. We're throwing some square bills. I've heard reports that there are bass bedding, so we're going to be looking for that as well. But hopefully we'll be able to hook up and have a good episode. Wow, you can jerk it along or you can just reel it. Oh wow, that looks exactly like a bat swimming. Oh my God. That's ridiculous. Holy crap. That's absolute insanity. This is crazy. Oh my God. This bait, it looks fantastic. This weed line here, you guys can see, I don't know how well you can see it, but there's a weed line here all through the water. So we're gonna cast on the other side of that and then bring it up parallel to the weed line. And there should be some bass, hopefully waiting for some fish to swim by. And we're both throwing these shadowless swim baits that I have. So hopefully we'll be able to target something with this. It's a bass, but I don't want to spook it. Okay, so we're now obviously at a new place. You guys should know where this is if you live in Orange Park. We're in Fleming. I see a huge bass on a bed right now. Of course, I didn't bring any of my stuff for fishing bass beds, but we're gonna make it work. All right, so right now I'm going to Dick's. The bass are spawning. I saw a couple of them spawning. So I don't have any soft plastics or any of the right tackle or what I need for that. So I'm gonna take you guys inside Dick's, show you exactly what I buy, where to buy it, and I'll see you guys there. All right, so right now I'm looking for shaky heads. I don't see them because they moved everything in here. Yeah. So now I gotta go find them. Perfect, here we go. All right, so this is what I want. This is only an eighth of an ounce, but I do like the ones with the little springs on them so that I can change what I'm using. I would rather do a fourth, but I don't know if they have. Oh no, here's the fourth. Okay, so I'm gonna get a pack of a fourth. Pack of an eighth of an ounce as well, so that'll give us 8, and then we're gonna get some Zoom lizards as well, and we'll get out of here. So this is what I use right here: chartreuse tail lizards. If you want to get something else, I suggest lizards for shaky heads, especially when you're fishing beds. So you can get those. You can get the sparkly ones. Brush hogs also work pretty well, but yeah, they do have some silver sparkly ones. Green flash. These are 6-inch chartreuse lizards. These also aren't bad. It's they've got kind of the chartreuse tail with a little purple, I don't know, cotton candy I guess it's called. These are also really good. Anything with the chartreuse tail, because it's going to be going up. So as you're fishing it and bouncing along the bottom, you want the chartreuse to be sitting up. These are new too at Dick's Sporting Goods. I haven't seen these before. So I might use these when it comes time for saltwater fishing. And then topwater. Mirror lures, typically what I use. I don't like getting these Uris because they're a little more expensive. Live Target has fantastic baits. You got your spoons here, all kinds of stuff. And then these are what I was using when I was catching the flounder right here. Just these little weights here. So there you go. All right, so there's this Hawaiian soft serve place in the mall, and it's absolutely fantastic. This is the Pina Colada. I would highly suggest it. Fantastic. Go see the guy. He's a huge fisherman. Loves to talk about fishing. So definitely go see it. Strike up a conversation. You'll have a great time. And Kimber got her first tackle box. It's very cool. We're gonna go catch some fish. We'll see you guys there. We are out here at the Shaw Street, which is where I caught my PB last year. We're gonna be throwing on some shaky heads with the chartreuse lizards. You guys just saw that at Dick's. Oh, he just got one. Baby, go, you got one. That's a bass. There you go. Kimber just caught her first bass, shaky head, with the worm. There you go, look at that. A little bass for you, babe. First one ever. Here, you gotta hold it. I gotta take a picture for you.
I know.
You just thumb it like that, okay? So we're out here at the Shaw Street Pond, and Kimber just caught her first bass.
It's a baby.
Little baby one, good one. All right, we're gonna get that release and get some underwater footage as well. and then cast like parallel to the bank. Yeah, like cast like 6 feet out along the bank. We just saw a koi fish at the Shaw Street Pond here, and it was a good size. I'd probably say, what, 1.5 feet? He was big, and he was orange. He was definitely a koi fish. We don't know where he went. He was right here, but we'll try to see if we can't get him on camera for you guys. All right, so we are now done fishing for the day. We ended up at the Shaw Street Pond, which you guys, I've been here before. I caught my PB last year here, but we started in Fleming, then we went to go pick up some tackle, and we ended here. So we had a pretty good day of fishing. Kimber caught her first bass ever. That was amazing. I'm definitely gonna get her hooked up into some more bass. I'm gonna be doing some customizing, whatever, with my kayak here shortly. I'm gonna make a video on that probably this week. You guys will see that this following weekend. And another exciting thing that I got was I actually picked up a new camera, so you guys can look at me this angle on this camera. And with this new camera, this is the GoPro Session. So hopefully you guys will like that. This is all for the kayak and whatnot, so I'm excited, pumped, ready for summertime. See you guys next time.